To book a hotel room on Booking.com, start by installing and opening the Booking.com app on your mobile phone. Once open, use the search option to enter your location, followed by your check-in and check-out dates, and the number of rooms and guests, including adults and children. After entering this information, tap the search option to view available options. Look for deals with free cancellation and no repayment needed, which can be beneficial in case you need to cancel. When you find a suitable option, tap on it to view photos of the rooms, see the prices, and check if a credit card is required. Many options do not require a credit card, making them a good choice. You can also view the location and ratings of the hotel. Once you have selected your room, tap on the Select option and review the room's information. Finally, tap the Reserve option to book your room. This process is straightforward, and booking a hotel room on Booking.com can be easily done through their app.